Assalamu alaikum and have a good day. So we are in chapter 2, information technology, data resource management. Data resource management and data administration or data resource management is an organizational function working in the area of information system and computer science and that plans, organize, describe and control data resource. And now we are going for understanding some MCQ question. Last class we described 65 numbers of MCQ and now from the 66. A collection of interrelated record is called a, what would be the answer, sir?
Sir, file.
No, database. A collection of interrelated records is called a database. Interrelated records. All records goes to database. And in a database, related files are grouped to a, that we discuss also. Data record. Yeah. The logical data structure with a one-to-many relationship is a tree, chain, network, all of the above. What would be the answer?
D.
Answer A, tree, logical. The logical data structure with a one-to-many relationship. That means one-to-many. It's been tree. Unlike filters query can be saved as in a database. Database, filter, objective, any of the above. Answer, objects. The method of file organization in which data record in a file are arranged in a specific order according to key file field is known as the unique method, direct access method, sequential access method. So answer, sequential access method. External database, what would be the answer? Database create using database management system package. Is the external database is database created using database management system packages. Then 72, the database environment has all the following component except, here one is one would not be the answer. That is the answer.
The administrator.
Here separate file, but all are the database administrator is okay. Require database administration, database user also, but separate file is not the related with that. So the database environment has the component of database administrator, database and users. Whose database handle full text data, image, audio and video. So it is multimedia database. In 74, in a relational model, relations are terms of, what would be the relation when we have the table? Probably that one. Let's say, yes, is the table. A database management system, what would be the answer? Allows simultaneous. Let's see the answer, then it will be easy. So it is the both A and B. So a database management system allows simultaneous access to multiple files, can do more than a record management system. So answer is D, but answer is AB. Which of the following types of table contains will prevent the entry of duplicate row?
Unique key, sir.
Candidate, primary, unique, and foreign key. So answer primary key. Primary key, that means basic thing. For example, we have the bank account, so our customer ID is the here primary key. Which of the following is a primary features of database management system? To provide an environment,
All available, sir.
all.
All available.
Yeah, an environment that and to store the information, to retain the information, all of them. 78. A dash is the property of the, what would be the answer? What would be the dash? D, key. A key is a property of the entire relation rather the individual এটা দিল কে tuples in which is tuple is unique. What is mean the tuple? Not answer is there. So its answer is, I will let's see what is meaning. And database management system held to achieve data independence, data redundancy,
Answer D,
content.
sir. Answer D. D.
D. Both A and C. Data independency and centralized manager the control of data. Okay, so answer this one and this one. Answer is D. A file consists of, so we know the what is file, files and records, files and short database file. A files consist of, here what is the color? Oh, not answer is upper side. Files and record. A file consists of files and records. Okay. An entry in the telephone book can be compared to a record. In a database, a network structure that allow many-to-many relationship is a physical relationship, allow one-to-one relationship. So answer would be A.
A, sir.
In a database, a network structure allow many-to-many relationship. And which of the following is the highest level of the hierarchy of the data organization? Database, data link, data file.
Database, sir. Database.
Yeah. So database. So database is the highest level of the hierarchy of the data organization. Which language is used by most of the database management system to helping the use of access?
SQL, sir.
SQL, yes. Here, or B, query language. Query language is used to most of the database management system for helping their use of access data. Answer is query language. Query language, I think SQL is the part of the query language. Maybe.
G, sir.
Yeah.
G, sir. SQL is one of query language.
Yes. So here, the management information system structure with one main computer system is called a centralized MIS structure. So that we discussed 85 number, totally 85 numbers of objective. Now let's see a few true false. So here, data mining is the process of analyzing data to find previously unknown trends, pattern, and associated in order to make decision. Generally, data mining is accomplished across the automated means against etc. etc. So really it is a
True, sir.
true. Yeah,
True.
true. Information system are combination of hardware, software, and telecommunication network that people build, use, collect, create, and distribute use data. Typically, the organizational setting.
True,
It's
sir.
also true. Technology can be thrown up as the application of the scientific knowledge for practical purpose, from the invention of the wheel of the harnessing of electricity of the artificial. It's also be true. The big thing. Information system hardware is the part of the information system you can trust physical component and technology, computers, keyboard, disks, etc. etc. So also
Sir. True, sir.
do. Software is the set of instruction that tells the hardware what to do. So this is the point sentence. What do you mean by software? So software is a set of instruction that tells the hardware what to do. So answer also is a big one.
True, sir.
True. A database management system is system software for creating and managing database. It is
True, sir.
true. A database that can be perceived as a set of table and is also true.
True, sir.
Okay. A data dictionary is the database management.
8 out true, sir.
True. Data mining is a major use of data warehouse database and the static data they contain. True.
True, sir.
Yeah. The database management system acts as an interface between the application program and physical data file. It is true.
True, sir.
Object-oriented database can handle data server.
8 out true, sir.
এটা false.
False.
এটা কেন false? এটা
multimedia.
Yeah. Object oriented database can handle multimedia. This is the answer. So here also I'm taking that. That's true answer is multimedia. But this is the object oriented database handle the data server. Can handle, that would be multimedia. So distributed databases are those that are stored in more than one physical location. True.
True, sir.
Yes. This is false. Information for target making is often gathered through centralized data. Is false because information for targeted marketing is often gathered through data mining. Here said, they're gathered through centralized data. So that word would be data mining. So that's why it's false. Random access memory is a permanent holding space for data and application. What would be the answer? It also
True,
false.
True.
False. Why false? Here said permanent.
Sir.
Is not permanent, is a temporary. So within the based on that word, so ROM is a temporary holding a space for data and application. So look here, so just in one word, replace one word, that answer can be changed. So that's why very much careful, and that's why we always learn only positive thing for understanding. If we read or learn false thing, that would be within our mind. So that's why we have to maximum way our true. Application software is the software that enable you to solve specific problems or problem specific tasks. So it is true. Uninstaller software is utility software that you can use to remove software from your hard disks that you no longer want. So it is true.
স্যার 46 টা কি মানে ভুল করে র্যামের জায়গায় রম চলে আসছে নাকি?
Uninstaller software is utility software that you can use to remove software from your hard disk that you no longer
44 এর কথা বলতেছিলাম স্যার, 44 এর কথা বলতেছিলাম।
44 বলতেছে ROM is a here said permanent holding space for data and application, but ROM is temporary. RAM is permanent.
No sir, maybe RAM is sir temporary.
তাহলে
ROM is permanent sir.
উল্টা হবে না?
জি স্যার, এখানে হচ্ছে হয়তো ভুল করে RAM এর জায়গায় ROM চলে আসছে।
এটা তাহলে করে দেখে নিব, দেখে নিয়ে এটা ফাইনাল করব। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। তারপর
স্যার ওই যে কারণ স্যার মানে র্যান্ডম অ্যাক্সেস মেমরি ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু স্যার ওইখানে RAM এর জায়গায় ROM চলে আসছে আর কি। মানে কোশ্চেন ঠিক আছে স্যার, কিন্তু ওই যে মানে ROM, জি স্যার এখানে RAM হবে স্যার, আরে তাহলে স্যার মানে ঠিক ছিল। জি স্যার।
ওরে শালা, এখন ঠিক আছে তো নাকি?
এবার ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ওকে, সরি। So here random access memory is a permanent holding space is saying, but it is the temporary. Okay. Now the physical device that make up a computer system are known as software.
False sir. False sir.
Because is the hardware.
Yes, sir.
So it's false because it is no software would be hardware. Software is the set of instruction that your hardware execute to carry out a specific task. It is true. Multitasking allow you to work with one piece of software at a time. So is
false sir.
False. এটা হবে more than one নাকি?
জি স্যার। জি স্যার।
More than one হবে। A bit represent of an or of a star or 0 or 1.
True sir.
True. So here we have 50 number of true false we discuss here. So here if we see that part, this one. Thank you all, and we'll see you again next week. Allah Hafiz.
Okay sir. Assalamu alaikum.